Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open a savings account in the Lloyds Bank. To begin, open the Lloyds Bank app on your phone and sign in using your username, password, or biometric login if it is enabled on your device. From the bottom menu, look for the option called Apply and tap on it. This section allows you to view financial products that are available to you. Inside the Apply section, find the option that says Open a Savings Account and tap to continue. The app will now show you the different savings accounts that you can choose from. You may see options such as an Easy Saver or other available savings products depending on your account eligibility. After selecting the account, the app will ask a question about where you want your interest to be paid. You will usually see two options. You can choose to have the interest paid into this new savings account so your savings can grow automatically, or you can choose another eligible account if you prefer the interest to be sent somewhere else. Select the option that works best for you. Once you answer that question, review the details on the screen and confirm your selection. The app will then create your new savings account. Your new savings account is ready immediately, and you can start using it right away to move money into your savings. Thanks for watching.